right, you guys ready to go with this bad boy here? It's a 2021 BMW X7 Alpina. They're pretty cool cars, I'm not gonna lie. They're beautiful looking cars. The rims on them, the paint, man, the package they have, big old rims, big old brake package. I mean, these are sweet, except when you go repair them. But normally, if you had the funds to buy these cars, it's not an issue. But these do go on the market used, and they come up sometimes at a reasonable price. Be careful if you don't have the funds to keep up on repairs, because even though it's an older car, say you buy it used, and it's still not what does it go for? 170, 140, depending on the package. They're considerably less, but it still costs the same amount of money to fix it. Okay, even though it's not new, you didn't pay the new money for it. Give you an example over here. This vehicle has 2 batteries. It's got a full-size auxiliary battery underneath this cowling here, and there's a pretty massive battery underneath the spare tire in the trunk area. Just so give you an idea, to put these batteries in it from BMW, we got the batteries from, install them, and we configured the batteries, is about $1,100. So give you an idea, you know, what just batteries go for in this car. So that doesn't even sniff of what maybe a water pump job would cost, or a turbo job might cost, or a leak. So that's kind of what I'm doing in the video. Is these are great cars, they're amazing. You can pick them up sometimes at a really good price, but make sure you have the funds to take care of this, because this thing, when it goes, man, they're pricey. So, but they're a sweet drive. So I wanted to bring in here because these are just beautiful vehicles. I love to look at them. So they drive amazing also. They're pretty sweet package, honestly. So that's it for today. I'll let you take a look at it, admire it. Till next time. See ya. Alpina.